Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Michael Kors watch. Today we have a chronograph version that also features the date function. As you can see, the date complication is between 4 and 5 o'clock. There are going to be some Michael Kors watches that do not feature the date complication, and in case you do not have the date complication, all you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and here you can rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction in order to set the time. In case you have a date complication, there are going to be 3 key principles that we need to follow in order to make the setting of time and date. Now, when you have a date complication, the date wheel, so the wheel that changes the date, will engage between 9 and 12 o'clock or between 12 and 3 o'clock. So this means that as we get closer and closer to 12 o'clock, you will be able to see that the date starts to change. And this means that in this particular position, the date, so the wheel that changes the date wheel is engaged, and you should never change the date while the date wheel is engaged. And the easiest way to do that is to first set the time at 6:30. We want both of our watch hands to be in the lower part of the dial, and the easiest way to remember is going to be 6:30. And now, if we change the date wheel is going to be protected because there is no chance that it's going to be engaged. The second principle is that when you set the time and date, you first want to set the date, and we are going to set the date 1 day prior to our actual end goal. So let's presume that our end goal is the 30th. I'm going to set it on the 29th, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually until the date changes and I arrive on my desired date, and I will be able to either go AM or PM. So let's do that as well. We are going to push the crown all the way back in and pull it to the first position, so the first click. In this position, we will be able to change the date. And as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 30th. So I'm going to make it the 29th, 1 day prior to my end goal. And the last thing that we want to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and we are going to go past 12 o'clock manually. So as you can see, the date did not change. And now when I go past 12 o'clock once again, the date will change. And now I am on the 30th, and I can set the time at 6 a.m. So 6 in the morning. In case you are PM, we are going to go past 12 o'clock once again, just like that. As you can see, the date did not change, and now I can make it 6 p.m. So 6 in the afternoon. And that is why you want to set the date 1 day prior and then go past 12 o'clock manually. After you have set the correct time, push the crown all the way back in, and you are done. You have correctly set the time and date on your Michael Kors watch. This tutorial will work for other watch brands as well, and the setting of time and date can be applied to mechanical watches as well. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. In case you want to check out the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and I will also post a tutorial on how to change the watch battery and also how to adjust the bracelet, so make sure to check them out, guys. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and also leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on the future videos. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.